Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix chat that doesn't work in Kick streaming. Okay, so let's try first with a quick fix. So sometimes the chat desyncs from the server. So what you need to do basically is just press F5 or this button here at the top left corner to reload the page. Okay, now what you can also do, so you can check this gear icon here at the bottom of this chat box. So if you didn't see where I'm in the dashboard here. So if we go to the profile icon, click on it and then create creator dashboard, and you will see here this chat box right here and then gear icon right over next to it. And then click to the pop-up chat. If it works in the pop-up window, the issue is with your browser main page rendering. Now, so Kick Chat can get stuck if your browser is holding onto old site data. So we can go to our browser settings. We will find here settings. And what we need to do now, we can clear cookies and other site data and cached images and files. You can also press Ctrl+Shift+Delete and it will open up this delete browsing data. So try restart your browser when you clear all of these things. Just restart your browser and log back into the Kick. Yeah. Now, if your chat isn't showing up inside your OBS dock, what you can do is in the OBS, head over to the view, and then you will find here docs, and then after that you will see here if you have that option, custom browser docs. So I have it right here, docs toolbar, and you can delete the old Kick Chat doc and add new one named Kick Chat and hit apply button, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.